like around my neck. And now look, I'm just gonna put it right around my neck, just like that, all even, normal neck, and scarf around it. And this thing's right here. Anyways, so even with summer, I just don't like scarves on in summer. So let's just do a little magic and just make it go right through my neck. You at once. Here's if you want a tutorial, please comment and rate and subscribe. If you want a tutorial, just say in the comment. I'll do a tutorial right away. And peace. Remember, I'm here.